What's going on YouTube? It's Michael's Rich Life, and I'm back again with another video. And today we're going to be doing this video about the investments I'm trying to get started, and I'm going to business to see if I can put a candy machine in their businesses. Last night I was extra, thirsty, and I didn't feel like going out to 7-Eleven, so I was like, hey, why not start small, build up a few candy machines and see if I can make some money, and then convert that into a vending machine, and as my apartment complex, if I can put one there. So this is like the big idea that I had yesterday. I know that the vending machine business is not new, but most individuals not thinking about starting a vending machine or even a candy machine. So like right now I'm about to go in the senior citizen home and see if I could talk with the property manager, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. It's hot out here. I'm riding the bike. As you can see, my my other half is handling some business. So like, as you know, we only have one vehicle at this moment. So you gotta do what you have to do. Now I could use an Uber because they got this new thing where you buy by the hour, and your Uber driver can take you spot to spot, but I'm trying to save money, so I'm using a bike, and hopefully I don't sweat a lot. But alright guys, so I'm gonna walk in here and ask for the manager. Alright. You see, I got on my Harachis. You see, I love these shoes. I'm a big fan. So that's all I buy. It's Harachis and Feelers. But for right now, since I'm trying to make everything happen, I'm not buying anything. So, alright guys, we're gonna be going in and see what can happen. Now I'm just gonna do the audio. I'm not gonna be showing like anybody. So, alrighty. Hey there, I was wondering if I could speak with the manager.
Okay, in regards?
I wanted to put like a candy machine in here for the guests here and residents.
Okay, alright, give me 1 second.
Okay. I do have a business card, but it's from another business, so I ran out.
Okay,
you can still...
well this is business.
Okay.
Email is the best way of contact.
Okay.
Okay.
You still need my information? Or?
No, that's fine. You can just email him some of your information, and he'll get in contact with you,
sounds
okay?
Good. All right.
Have a good day.
Okay, you too.
Thank you so much.
Alright guys, so I'm sorry about that video. It's probably a little bit rough, but so yeah, so I asked the manager if I could, you know, put a candy machine in, and she gave me a business card to actually email the manager. So so yeah, so now I'm going to a Mexican restaurant. I'm going to ask and see if it's a vending machine or a candy machine in there already. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, you have to make it happen either way, and I'm all about financial freedom and on my way to Africa. So I have to be banging hard. I have to be hustling. I gotta have that motivation, that inspiration. So I'm out. Chill.